Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And today I'll show you how to add roles to our JavaScript application. So let's see our target today first. So first today we're gonna be adding a roles in a enum. So and we need a form for a radio buttons that the people can select a job seeker or an employee, and we need to add other necessary conditions like if we don't have a role we can't give a permission to apply a job or to create a job, right? So now I'm going to creating a controller. So the controller name is user info, so it need new and create routes. Yes, so now check routes. Yes, user info. Resources, user info, and only new comma create. Yes, these are no need at all. Yes, so now we have a routes view, and also now we're gonna be adding a condition. So in the application controller itself, so we're gonna be adding a condition like, so we are not allowing to them to visit any page if they don't have a role, right? So I'm adding these two methods. Yes, these are the two methods. So like this is like a after sign up path for once it's sign up, so they must be go to a new user info path. So even after sign in also, so we are checking them like they must be needing a user role. Okay, so now I'm going to logging out and I'm logging again. So you don't have any user role, so resource, you don't have any user role. So now we're gonna be adding a user role to that. So we need only two user roles now, job speaker and recruiter. So we need to add this enum in user model and user.rb. So there we need to add it. Yes, now we need to add a user role, a column to integer column to our user table. I'll generate a migration, add user role to users. User role is an integer. db migrate. Yes, that's it. So now okay, so now it came to, so user info new path, right? So we already the condition in application controllers like so application controller, if that the resource dot user role is empty, so we're gonna be sending to new user path in both the cases like sign up and sign in. So now we're gonna be adding a form instead of that a static the page user info. So I already have that piece of code over there, so I'll explain you that. I'm copying this and user info new page. So I'm adding over here. This tool has been, we don't need, yeah, this is it. So I'm sending a post request. I'm sending a post request. So I'm adding the user roles. So with this collection radio buttons, user role. So now we have a need a method. So create method inside user info. Yeah, it's already there. So I'm going to be adding a before action to this. Before action. So authenticate user. Yes. Now if I refresh it, I got this recruiter and job role, right? So I'm going to put in a nl.test. It's like a debugger over there, and if I choose a job seeker or recruiter, so submit, it is going there. So good, it is sending an user info. So see, you can see resource or current user. Yes. So now so user role is the params of user info, and inside that we have a user role. That's right. So let's check. So refresh the same. Yes. Now see user role a recruiter. Yes, it's correct. So now we need to update current user role, right? So now current user dot update user role is, so user role, that's it, and redirect to jobs path. That's it. So if I refresh it, yeah, redirect to. Yes. So let test for for all these cases now. So I'm going to be logging out, and I'm going to be I'll create a new account. Yes. Yeah, after sign in, it is going to so user info path only, so user info new path. So I'm going to be log out, and I'll be logging with the same account. Yes, again it is going to same path. So I've started job seeker now. Yes, let's check in now, logs. Yeah, it's updating user role, right? Updating user role. Even we'll check in console. Yeah, now see user role. So user role is a job seeker, that's it for the day. So now we added enum of roles and form for radio buttons and other necessary things, and this is for the part 3 in the job speaker application. And hope you like the video, and please subscribe to Make Easy, and thank you.